Welcome to the world of Cruxweld. Today Cruxweld like to present before you the portable welding generator Welding DS2300. The welding generator that allows simultaneously welding and the power supply operations. The generator comes with a digital display, the MCB for the extra protection, two arc holders for arc welding, and the auxiliary supply for the power supply operations. The DS2300 comes with the diesel engine, and it has a tank capacity with a 7 liter. The wheel mounted and the handle operated welding generator, which is compatible and can be easily accessible for at any point. The welding generator has a 44Ah battery, the fuse, fully loaded. The company supplies the portable welding generator with the arc holders and the earthing clamps. Today in the video, we will demonstrate the complete installation and the operation of the welding generator. Firstly, the earthing clamps are being connected. It has to be tightened. As you can see here, a simple operation just to unscrew it and screw it to connect the clamps. Now the arc holder has been connected. The earthing clamp is also being connected. The portable welding generator can use the arc welding with varied range of rods. Here in the video, we will demonstrate the arc welding. First, the switch is on, and then through the knob, the self-start operation is being done. One has to switch over to the arc welding or to the arc auxiliary supply as per the requirement. For arc welding, the earthing clamp has to be connected to the job work. Now the rod is being held in the arc holder and the welding operation is being done. A very easy and convenient arc welding which can be done at a very remote and rural places also. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you like the video and the welding machine.